In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in Davinci Resolve 19. If you're getting started with video editing or just exploring new features in this powerful application, you're in the right place. We'll be walking through the process step by step to make sure you can follow along smoothly and add your audio with confidence. First things first, let's launch Davinci Resolve. When you open the application, you're greeted by the project manager. This is where you've stored your previous works, and it's also the starting point of all new projects. So look through your existing projects or create a fresh one where you want to add new audio. Once you've selected or created your project, you'll need to move to the edit page. Think of this as your creative playground in Davinci Resolve, where most of your video and sound edits take place. Next up is the media pool. This is your collection point for all the video and audio files you'll work with. It's found on the edit page, and you just need to click it to open. Here you'll manage everything from raw video footage to, of course, audio files. Now here's where we get into the core of today's task. You're going to import your audio. To do that, just right click inside the media pool. You'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, select Import Media. This action will prompt you to navigate through your files. Go ahead and locate the audio file you wish to add. Once you find it, select it and hit open. Quick tip, ensure your audio files format is compatible with Davinci Resolve to avoid any import issues. After successfully importing your audio, it's time to place it on your timeline. Drag the audio file from the media pool directly to the timeline. Make sure you align it appropriately with your video footage. The timeline is where everything comes together, giving you a visual representation of how your video plays out, making it easier to synchronize your visuals and sounds. With your audio in place, Davinci Resolve offers a range of options for adjusting and editing it. You can trim it, increase or decrease its volume, and apply effects if necessary. Experiment with these tools to match your creative vision. In summary, we've covered opening Davinci Resolve, selecting a project, accessing the edit page, opening the media pool, and importing and placing your audio in the timeline. I hope this guide has clarified how to add audio to your project seamlessly. Practice these steps, explore further with the software's myriad features, and soon you'll be mastering audio additions as a fundamental part of your video editing workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.